What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another special episode of Spoiled Little Bastards. And on today's episode, we obviously have the SS here. We are going to be doing the side vent markers. Going to be blacking them out here. We've already done the blackout on the grill up here with some vinyl. We did the door handles, and then we did the seal around to get rid of some of that chrome. So this is the missing piece. This was hard to wrap, but luckily a company sells these parts and pieces already. So we're going to head and go and do that. It's pretty simple. I'm going to set up the camera right now and go ahead and show you how to quickly do them. Alrighty, so these are from a company called Holden. I believe it was Holden Parts. And really simple pieces, come greatly packaged. That's the blackout, looks awesome. And yeah, gonna be filming on the phone for TikTok. Make sure you guys follow our TikTok and Instagram as well. So simply all you do, because I have this car, yes, completely clear broad. I just recently did it. I'm not gonna use any sort of tape or a microfiber or anything like that to peel it, but I will be using my plastic tool here to just kind of pry open. I've already started it. What you do is you just, once it's clipped in like so, you want to just kind of go ahead here, go around the edges on the top, get it in there. You'll hear it unclip. You'll be able to take your tool, go back with it a little bit, and start to pull out. And bam, just like that, this piece will be coming out. Once you get the bulb out, don't be a pain. Let's see here. Actually, bulb stays in, and there's a plug. Take out the old, unwrap the new, voila. Plug your plug back in. And what I'm gonna do before I go ahead and put this back in, I'm going to make sure that it works, because that's prudent. Bingo. Just check it one more time. And voila, just like that. Clips back in. Here's the placement, and black. Looks 10 times better already. So much better. Absolutely love that. So that's quickly the simple way to do it. All you have to do is go ahead and repeat it on the other side. I'm not going to show you guys that, but that is the quick way to install these. Hopefully you guys did like it. Makes it easy. Like I said, use a plastic trimming tool. Pop that top piece up. I would put like a piece of tape, painter's tape, or maybe a microfiber you can hold to pry it open so you're not on paint. I'm on clear broad, so it's kind of okay. These tools don't really harm much of that anyways. And hopefully you guys did like this video. Hopefully this helped. I love the look of these now, so much better. And make sure you guys stay tuned for more SS content. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, y'all.